Welcome students. So here this is your Arka sir. I have come with a new subject in science, mathematics. So this is the first episode on mathematics. So my basic objective is the students who are appearing the board exam, especially class 10, and slowly I will upload the content of mathematics of class 12 also and IIT joint also. So this is the first episode of mathematics for class 10 students of any board. I will cover all the topic of mathematics of class 10 first, and slowly we will step by step we will move forward. So if you follow the channel, I am sure that the concept as well as you will get a lot of practice sum. So I will solve here. So if you solve that at home, so 100% it will be a beneficial thing for you. That I am giving you the guarantee. And class 10, all type of sums, probable sums which are most important for the exam, that also I will discuss later part of the videos of upcoming videos. So stay tuned in my channel. If you not subscribed yet, subscribe it to get the notification. So 3 subjects I am covering: physics, biology as well as mathematics. So this is the first episode. Hope you will like this. So today topic is trigonometry. So without further delay, I am going to the topic. Trigonometry is a common topic for any boards, CBSE, ICSE, West Bengal or any other states, any board. The trigonometry is there for board exam, and this is the first time they are learning, the students are learning trigonometry in class 10. Most of the cases they are learning in class 10. So that is the new thing, just like the algebra. The students learn algebra in class 6, 7 like that. So that was the first thing they learned over there. So that's why I have chosen the topic trigonometry to start with, so that the new thing you are learning, and slowly we will move all the other topics as per the syllabus of the board, NCERT as well as ICSE and West Bengal also. Okay. So trigonometry, what is actually trigonometry? So I am starting from the beginners level. What is actually trigonometry? The trigonometry is the 2 words trigon plus metron. Okay, trigon plus metron. So that is trigonometry. So trigon means triangle and metron means what? The measurement. Okay, trigon and metron means the measurement of the triangle. That is trigonometry. So the triangle, how many sides are there? In a triangle there are 3 sides. 3 sides are there. If one angle is 90 degree, so the other angle will be what? The sum of other 2 angles will be 90 degree. Total angle will be 180 degree. So let is theta. So theta is nothing but the measurement of any angle of a triangle. It may be theta, it may be phi, it may be x. Okay, whatever. Okay, so in general we use theta. So theta is an angle. So trigonometry, some functions are there. So that is nothing but the ratio of the sides, length of the sides of a triangle, right angle triangle. So trigonometry ratio, right angle triangle means one angle will be 90 degree and with the angle. So the relation between the ratio of the 2 sides, any 2 sides, either hypotenuse, perpendicular base with the any other angle, okay, of that triangle. So that relationship actually the trigonometry is. So it's the trigonometry means the measurement of the sides and the relation of the ratio of the side of the right angle triangle with any angle of the triangle. Okay. So now we will learn what are the functions. Okay. So now let us start. So first let us draw a triangle. So suppose this is a right angle triangle. So this is a right angle triangle. So suppose this is A, B, C. Hope you can see this. So this angle is suppose 90 degree and suppose this angle is theta. Clear? So AB is equal to what? With respect to this angle. Okay, we are measuring. With respect to this angle, this is the base, this is the perpendicular and this is the hypotenuse. So AB is equal to what? Perpendicular. BC is equal to base. and AC. AC is equal to hypotenuse. Hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. So the functions are there. First function is sine. First function is sine. So sine theta. Sine theta means with respect to this angle. Sine theta is ratio of perpendicular by hypotenuse. So it will be what? AB by AC. So perpendicular, that means what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. So this is the ratio of sine theta. So sine theta is the ratio of the two sides of a right angle triangle perpendicular by hypotenuse. That is sine theta with respect to this angle. Now cos theta, second function is cos theta. Second function cos theta means base by hypotenuse. So what is base? BC by hypotenuse AC. So it is what? Base divided by hypotenuse. So that is known as cos theta. Cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. So sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Ratio of these two sides is cos sine, and cos means base by hypotenuse. Next we have tan theta. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. So it is what? Perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base is equal to tan theta. So this is what? In this triangle, this is the angle theta. So this will be the perpendicular, this will be the base. So AB by BC. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. Clear? So three main things we have written: sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. Upcoming next three will be the opposite of this. Okay. So next is what? Cot theta. Cot theta means opposite of tan theta. Okay. So it will be base by perpendicular. So what is base? BC. Perpendicular is AB. So it will be what? Base by perpendicular. It is base by perpendicular. That is cot theta. Then again sec theta. What is sec theta? Sec theta is opposite of cos. So cos is what? Base by hypotenuse. So it will be hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse is what? AC by base means what? BC. Okay. So sec theta is equal to what? Opposite of cos, hypotenuse by base. And next one is cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to opposite of sine. That means it will be hypotenuse by perpendicular. That means hypotenuse is what? AC, perpendicular is AB. Okay. So these are the 6 things we have to keep in our mind always. So it should be there in your mind to do the trigonometric sums, the problems. So sin theta is the ratio of the two sides of a triangle. So sin theta nothing, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos theta base by hypotenuse. Tan theta perpendicular by base. Now the rest 3 are the opposite of this. Cot theta will be base by perpendicular. Sec theta hypotenuse by base, and cosec theta hypotenuse by perpendicular. So students, I hope this you have understood. Now some more formula. So you can note down the formulas. Okay. So some more things more formula will learn. So let us the same diagrams I am keeping it, because as per the diagram I have given the formulas or relationship between the angle and the sides of the triangle. So it is C. So sin theta is equal to what we know? AB perpendicular by hypotenuse, and cosec theta what we know? hypotenuse by perpendicular. So what we can write? 1 by what we can write? AB by AC. Okay. So that's why what we can write? Sin theta is equal to 1 by what? Cosec theta. Similarly, if we multiply sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Okay. So if we multiply this, so sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. If we multiply, then sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Okay. So this is one relation between sin and cosec. Again, same thing, tan theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 by, that I told it is opposite, 1 by cot theta. So if I multiply tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Okay. So that is another relationship. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. So tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Or we can again write cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Same thing. Okay. So that we can write. Next. So this relationship you come to know now. Another, what are left? Cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. So if we multiply, then cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Or we can also write sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Similarly, here we can write cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Okay. So this is the relationship between sin and cosec, tan and cot, and cos and sec. Okay. So these are the relationship. These are opposite. Sin is just the opposite of cosec. Okay. Tan is just the reciprocal of cot. Okay. And cos is the reciprocal of sec. So hope you have understood up to this. Okay. You can also write it in your copies. Clear? Now, some formulas are there. Some more formulas. Okay. Some more formulas I am writing. Tan theta is equal to, in form of sin by cos, we can express cos theta. So tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. How it is coming? Very easy. Tan theta is equal to what we know? Tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. So AB by BC. So what we can write? We can write AB by AC divided by BC by AC. So AC will cancel. So AB by BC will be there. So AB by AC means what? Sin theta. And BC by AC. BC by AC means what? Cos theta. So coming, tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. This is how you can prove. Very easy. Okay. So next formula. Cot theta. Cot theta is equal to reciprocal of what? Reciprocal of tan. Then it will be just cos theta by sin theta. Okay. It is a reciprocal of tan. So it will be cos theta by sin theta. So this relationship of tan theta in term of sin and cos, very important for the numeric sum, as well as cot theta in case of cos and sin also is very important in case of sum. Okay. So when you solve the sum, you can see that. Next. So I hope this you can understand now. So I am writing the next formulas. So next trigonometric formulas I am writing. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the main formula. Then what we can write? Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. This is another, from here we can get it. Okay, again cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So from this is the original formula. From this we can write this sin square theta. If we are shifting cos square on the other side, right hand side, then it will be 1 minus cos square theta. And if we are shifting the sin square theta at right side, then cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So this is one formula. Another formula, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So if we write here sec square theta is equal to, it will be 1 plus tan square theta, it is coming. So it is minus, it will be plus on the opposite side, other side. So sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, or what we can write, tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. We are shifting tan square theta other side and 1 is this side. So tan square theta will be, it will be plus. So tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. So this is the main formula. So from this we can derive these two. Very simple. Now the third one, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Okay. So cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, and cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Okay. So this is another main formula. So what is the square? It is not the only sign, it is square. So how the square of the trigonometric functions are related? Sine and cos. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That we have to remember. Sec and tan. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So if you can remember this and this and this, we can easily find out. Okay. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, and cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So this is the relation between sine and cos, sine square and cos square, sec square and tan square, and cos square and cot square. So these are the very basic formulas of trigonometry. There are so many things are there which we will learn step by step, but with this formula many sums we can solve in class 10 level. Okay. So hope you understand this. Now straight away we will move to the numeric sum. So students, here two very simple sums. So cos theta is given. Cos theta is given. So find the value of all t ratios, that means trigonometry ratios of theta. That means we have to find out the sine, tan, sec, cosec, all. So by using formulas we can do, but for the beginners I am using the traditional method. Okay, for the beginners. So what we have to draw the triangle. We have to draw the triangle. Suppose it is A, B and C. So it is theta. So cos theta is equal to 7 by 25. It is given. Cos theta is equal to 7 by 25 is given. So it is the ratio. Okay. So what is the procedure? Let the common multiple be x. As it is a ratio, so we have to assume a common multiple be x. Okay. So cos theta means what? Just now I told cos theta means what? Base by what? Hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. Okay. So it is then base by hypotenuse, then it is 7x unit and it is 25x unit. Okay. Now so base BC is equal to 7x unit and hypotenuse AC is equal to 25x unit. So the Pythagoras theorem or Pythagoras theorem, what we know? Perpendicular is equal to root over, actually it is plus minus, but as the length cannot be negative, that's why we are omitting the negative. Okay. So it will be what? AC square perpendicular hypotenuse square minus base square BC square. So what is the value of AC? 25x square minus what is the value of BC? 7x square. That means 25 into 25. Okay, so it is like this. So now 576 we have to do the square root. So it will be 24. So 24x. Now we know the three things. It is what? 24x. Okay, unit. So now we know the length of the three sides. So sine theta means what? Sine theta is equal to perpendicular means AB by hypotenuse means AC. So what is perpendicular AB? 24x by 25x. So it will be 24 by 25. So if we know sine, what is the opposite of sine? Reciprocal of sine is cosec. So cosec theta is equal to what? It will be then 25 by 24. Very easy. Now what is cos is given? Cos theta is equal to 7 by 25. So what will be sec theta? Reciprocal of cos. That will be, it will be 25 by 7. And what is left? What is left now? So I think it is up to this you can copy. Okay. So we have found sine, cosec, cos and sec. Now only two left, tan and cot. So now tan theta. Two ways we can do. We can write sine by cos and we can do or perpendicular by base. Perpendicular means what? 24x by base means 7x. So 24 by 7 and cot theta will be what? Opposite of tan means 7 by 24. So see 6 we found sine, cosec, cos, sec, tan and cot. So 3 trigonometric ratios, 6 trigonometric ratios we have found out. Now we will do the second sum. Same. Cos was given, now sine is given. Okay. So same sum. So it is very easy. So hope you can understand and you can do. And after the completing of the episode, I will give some sums to do at home. You practice. If you cannot do, don't worry. In the next episode, I will solve those sums. So now the next one. So this sum completed. You can pause the video and you can copy it in your copy. So do the sums with me. Then it will be beneficial for you. And then write the sums and try to do it without watching. If you have any problem, any doubts, then see the video once again and solve the sum. Now, number 2. Next, another triangle, same method. Okay, A, B, C. It is 90 degree, so it is theta. Clear? So sin theta is given a square minus b square by a square plus b square. So here let common, as it's the unknown quantity, so A, B both are the unknown quantities. Okay, so let it is sin theta means what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC, perpendicular is AB. So let perpendicular AB is equal to a square minus b square unit. Let hypotenuse AC is equal to a square plus b square unit. So it is what? A square minus b square, and it is what? A square plus b square. Okay. Now the Pythagoras theorem, BC is equal to actually plus minus, but we are omitting the minus as this is less than 90 degree. So it will lie on the first quadrant. That concept I will discuss later, and also the side of the length of the sides of the triangle cannot be negative. Okay. So it will be what? AC square minus AB square. That is the Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So what is the value of AC? What is the value of AC? A square plus b square whole square minus a square minus b square whole square. Okay. So formula a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus 2a square b square minus a to the power 4. I am changing a sign. Okay. Plus 2 a square b square minus b to the power 4. I am changing the sign. So this will be cancelled. So root over 4 a square b square. So that means what? 2ab. Okay. If it comes outside, it will be 2ab. 2ab unit. So see, now I have all in my hand. The length of the perpendicular, length of the base, and length of the hypotenuse, and the angle theta. Okay. So very easily I can now determine how all the trigonometric or T functions. Okay. So it is 2ab. So all the trigonometric functions now I can find out. So it is what? Sin theta is given already. So what is given? I am writing this. So what is the opposite or reciprocal of sine? It is cosec. So cosec, it will be just the reciprocal. So I am writing. Okay. Now the 2 completed. Next, cos theta is equal to what? Base by hypotenuse. So BC by AC. So what is BC? 2AB divided by a square plus b square. So what is the reciprocal of cos? Sec. Sec theta is equal to what? A square plus b square by 2ab. So these two solved. Now what is there? Tan. Tan theta is equal to what? Perpendicular by base. What is perpendicular? A square minus b square by 2ab. So cot will be reciprocal of tan. So 2ab divided by a square minus b square. So these two are also solved. So 6 ratios we found: sine and cosec, cos and sec, tan and cot. Okay. So hope you have understood this. So next, let us move to the next sums. So students, here 3 more sums we have. Root 3 tan theta is equal to 1. We have to find out the value of cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay. So it is also very easy. So let us do number 3 first. So root 3 tan theta is equal to 1. Let us draw the diagram. It's for your understanding I am drawing. Okay. So A, B, C, it is 90 degree and it is theta. So what we can write? Tan theta is equal to 1 by same type of sum, root 3. Okay. So let the common multiple be x. So tan theta means what? Tan theta means perpendicular by base. Therefore AB is equal to 1 into x unit, that means x unit. It is x unit, and BC is equal to root 3 x unit. That means root 3 into x unit. So the same, the Pythagoras theorem, AC hypotenuse is equal to root over AB square plus BC square. What is AB? X square plus root 3x square. So what you can write? X square plus root over 3x square. So root over 4x square, that means 2x. Okay, so it is 2x unit. Now everything we have in our hand. So see, if you cannot see this properly, see, root 3 tan theta is equal to 1, so tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3, so let the common multiple will be x. So the base will be x unit and root 3x unit will be the hypotenuse, perpendicular will be x unit and the base will be root 3 into x unit. So hypotenuse will be root over perpendicular square plus base square by using the Pythagoras theorem. So we are finding the value of hypotenuse is twice x. So we have now the three, all the things we have. Now we have to find out the cos and sine, value of cos and sine. Okay, so I am writing this. You have to find out the value of cos and sine. So what is sin x, sin theta? Sin theta is equal to what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse, that means AB by AC. So what is perpendicular? X by twice x. X will be cancelled, then half. Okay. So cos theta is equal to what? Base. Base means BC by hypotenuse AC is equal to root 3x by 2x. So root 3 by 2. Clear? Now we have to write what? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. We have to find out what is the value of cos, root 3 by 2 whole square, plus what is the value of sine, half whole square. So it will be 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. 4 will be the LCM. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to half. It will be your answer. So you understood that we are finding the value of sin theta, then same method we are using, value of cos theta, then cos square theta minus sin square theta, you are putting the value of cos theta, so it will be as it is square, that's why it is square, and as sin theta value is half, so it will be sin square theta, so half whole square, so it will be 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4, 4 will be the LCM, so 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 by 4, so it's very easy. Okay, so this we already solved. Now let if we have to prove something, that means the answer is given. That means if we cannot find that answer, then our sum is wrong. Okay, so very easy to prove. Means if it is there, this type of sums, we have some doubt in our mind that whether it is wrong, I have made any mistake or not. But here, if we get that answer, that means my sum is correct. Okay, in the examination hall. So proof means the answer is given. Okay, so here we have to prove. Now how we can prove? Sin theta. Sin theta is equal to A by B. Clear? So let us draw the triangle. Okay, it is A, B, C. It is 90 degree, same thing. Okay, so it is variable quantities is given. That's why I am not taking a common multiple. Okay, so let the perpendicular is equal to what? A unit, AB, and hypotenuse AC is equal to B unit. So it is A unit, it is B unit. Clear? Now what you have to find out? Base BC. BC, it is base. Pythagoras theorem, root over AC square minus AB square is equal to root over AC means B square minus A square. Now we have to write left hand side. It is what? Sec theta plus tan theta. What is the value of sec theta? Sec theta means what? Opposite of cos. That means hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse by base. Plus what is tan theta? Opposite of cot. That means base by perpendicular. Okay. So what is AC? So it is now root over B square minus A square unit. So what is AC? AC means B. By BC means root over B square minus A square plus what is BC? Means root over B square minus A square. What is AB? Means A. Okay. Is equal to it is tan theta. Oh, tan theta, it is not cot. Okay, it's sec theta plus tan theta. So tan theta means perpendicular by base. Perpendicular means AB. AB by base means BC. So AB means A unit and base BC means root over B square minus A square. So root over B square minus A square will be the LCM. So B plus A. Okay. So it is what? B and it is A. So root over B square minus A square. So what we have to prove? B minus A. Okay, no problem. So now it is what? B plus A divided by root over B square. Now we will multiply both the sides with B square plus A square. So B plus A, B plus A into root over B square plus A square divided by root over B square minus A square into root over B square plus A square is equal to, or B plus A, what we can write? It's better. Root over B plus A into root over B plus A divided by, it is B minus A into root over B plus A. इसका मैं इसका formula. So B plus A will be cancelled. Therefore root over B plus A divided by root over B minus A. It is equal to right hand side. Proved. Okay. So see. So B plus A, how we can write? Root over B plus A into root over B plus A. So root will be cancelled to B plus A. So and B square minus A square, how can write A plus B into A minus B? So root over B minus A into root over B plus A. That means A square minus B square. So now B plus A will cancel. So root over B plus A divided by root over B minus A is equal to right hand side. Proofs. Okay. So this sums, if you can copy, then copy that sum in your copy. This is the sum and this is number 4. Okay. So this sum we have solved here. Now the next one. The next sum is also very easy. Two ways we can solve. So I am first using the simpler way. Okay. Tan theta is equal to A by B. How we can solve without taking perpendicular base or something like that. Okay. So left hand side. Left hand side, what? A sine theta minus B cos theta divided by A sine theta plus B cos theta. Okay. Now I will divide both numerators and denominators by, because tan theta, what we know, tan theta is equal to, in term of sine and cos, what we know, sin theta by cos theta. Okay. So here I will divide all the terms of numerator and denominators by sin theta by cos theta. Then sin theta by cos theta will come, then tan theta will come. So a into sin theta by cos theta minus b into cos theta by cos theta whole divided by a into sin theta by cos theta plus b into cos theta by cos theta. Okay. So see, I am dividing all the numerators and denominators, if each and every terms, by cos theta. So here what you can write, this part what you can write, sin theta by cos theta means what, tan theta. So a into tan theta minus b into cos theta will be cancelled, so only b, divided by sin theta by cos theta, this part, a into what, tan theta, plus this will be cancelled, so only b. Now the value of tan theta is given here, see in the sum. So a into tan theta means a by b minus b, divided by a into a by b plus b. Now the simple calculation, all sin cos then gone. Okay. So it's a square by b minus b divided by a square by b plus b. So b will be the LCM, a square minus b square. Here also b will be the LCM, a square plus b square, b will be cancelled. That means a square minus b square by a square plus b square is equal to right hand side, proved. Okay. So this is the easiest way to do this sum without taking the hypotenuse, base and all. I can divide the terms by cos theta. Clear? So sin by cos I am writing tan, because tan is given, that is my motto or objective, and minus b plus b. Clear? So I am just putting the value of tan theta and I am finding what we have to prove here. This sum also you can do like this. Tan theta is equal to a by b is equal to what? Perpendicular by base. Okay. So let perpendicular is equal to a unit, base equal to b unit, hypotenuse we find out, then find the value of sin theta, then find the value of cos theta, put the value over there, calculate, that will come. But this is the another way, traditional way to do the sum. But this is the good way to do this sum. Clear? We are avoiding all that type of calculations. Only tan theta, by putting the value of tan theta in the equation, we can find out the value of what we have to prove over there. Okay. So students, hope I can able to give you the basic idea about the trigonometry. So I am giving you 4 to 5 sums. Okay. Now, so you will do it, try to do it at home. So in my next video I will solve those sums first, and then I will move next. Okay. So let me do the sum. Students, so we have solved some sums over here. So I am giving some task to you, to all of you, to solve these sums. If sin theta is equal to 12 by 13, then evaluate. Okay, evaluate this. So sin theta is 12 by, let the common multiple be x. So by that you can find out the sin theta. Sin theta is given, only the cos theta, and then you can find out put the values over there and evaluate. Okay. Then tan theta is given, so the same process. So evaluate this one. Sin alpha. Alpha means nothing but the angle. Okay, that is also a variable quantity. Is equal to half. Then prove that 3 cos alpha minus 4 cos cube alpha is equal to 0. As it is alpha, that's why it is also here alpha. So 3 tan A is equal to 4. Then we have to prove sec A minus root over sec A minus cosec A by sec A plus cosec A is equal to 1 by root 7, and root over 1 minus sin A by 1 by 1 plus cos A. Okay, 1 plus cos A is equal to 1 by 2 root 2. Okay. So these are the very basic sums. I have given it to you. You can pause the video, you can copy the sum, try to do at home, because sum, mathematics, no other alternatives. No other alternatives to actually get rid of from your fear, to score good marks. Only one option is there: practice, practice and practice. As much as you practice different type of sums from different books, from different sources, your fear will go away. That I am giving you the guarantee. And I will try to solve as much as sum as possible in the videos. Okay. So continue watching my videos. I think it will be a great help for you for your examination and to clear your concept and to practice more and more and more sum. Thank you, students.